Hi there, Dan the Weatherman here. Hey, we keep the blustery spell of weather, a wound up area of low pressure sitting to the south and east of the country, has brought in the most recent blast from the southwest, and it's quite a tightly packed thing. I've thrown on the mid-level steering winds, 500 hectopascals of sorts, shows the broad upper level low spinning around. It's dragging some much colder air from well down in the Southern Ocean. And as you look closely, the yellow, of course, is the higher, colder, more active part of the storm, the higher, colder cloud tops. This section here is the broad upper level low, and it's what we call a cold pull, meaning the air above this part here is much colder. So if you have like a pot on a stove, it boils and boom, up goes the air. That is why you're getting really lumpy cloud, and that drags the colder air down. And that's why I've seen the snow level, we've seen snow to some of the passes, and it's just more oomph to it. Not as much further west. You can see lots of speckly showers, the dots coming in with cooler air aloft, and as the air warms, notice how it goes flatter and more teal colour and chilled out. That, of course, is beneath the area of high pressure, a ridge. This is going to be busy with us, and of course stronger winds. Yes, you know it's been rather gusty. Area of low pressure. These are showing some of the wind gusts, and in this purple zone here, New Zealand, you can probably just make it out. You've got wind gusts 70, 80, 90 kilometers per hour, even some gusts stronger than that. And a little squeeze down here, I'll point that out, put on the old pressure map. So you've got a couple of lows, one small one here. First trough has come through, there's another smaller one. All these like bubbly showers just peppering their way into western, southern coast. Flow like that keeps you slightly drier, eastern parts of, say, Canterbury towards Marlborough, and the east of the North Island like that. And then this squeeze here, that's another zone of some strong, even severe gales. That's going to clip Otago, parts of Canterbury, through the course of really the end of Tuesday, before this whole thing slowly, it's like a big tumbleweed rolling down the road, but of course it's wet. That is working away. There's our ridge that comes in briefly for Wednesday, and then there's lots more stuff. This is a very busy, fast westerly flow. So it's like at the supermarket when you're loading all the stuff on the conveyor belt, it just keeps coming at you. That's our weather. So you keep your raincoat handy through most of the week. What happens Wednesday? Our first low has gone away. Remember the ridge that was there? Well, that gets squeezed because all the stuff is coming along the conveyor pretty quickly. So Wednesday will be fewer showers, not as windy, still breezy. One or two showers into the west, and then a new trough here slides in by the end of the day. So in a nutshell, what does it mean? Keep your raincoat handy. It will feel cooler as well, with of course that westerly flow, particularly down south. Here's the day. So there are some showers, some of them still quite blustery, some strong gusty winds too. Western coast from Northland, Auckland, Taranaki, and the northwest of the South Island. These, by the end of the day, will just become a bit more few and far between, easing back, drier, brighter. Remember that squeeze of stronger winds, Otago Peninsula, Banks Peninsula. You'll feel that effect of that stronger wind, 70, 80, 90 kilometers per hour, if not over 100 in places as it works through. East Coast, you're not too bad. You're getting a bit of shelter, but it is one of those sunshine and showers sorts of days. Few in the way of showers for Wednesday. You still may have a few flicking into some western coast. That means eastern areas tend to be drier, and of course further west you've got some more wet weather to come in as you finish off the day, and that'll be the trend. So it's keep your raincoat handy. You might need the rug up layer as well if you are stepping to the outside for the bubble walk. We keep that busy flow from the west, but of course it is autumn. That's the weather for now. See you guys soon. Bye bye.